today at Ewen's Acre. We only got 1 acre. In Uniondale, Pennsylvania. The gutters were all plugged on the house. Dug them all out this morning. Because they were plugged, I got water in the basement the other day. The furnace is out. I got heat and oil the other day. $4.49 a gallon. Now the furnace don't run. And now the pipe's plugged. There's my 3. 3, we're done. The basement floor drain is plugged. And I got the neighbors here with the jet blaster. See if we can get her opened up. I think we hit oil, boys. Texas tea. We'll be moving to Beverly Hills before we know it. How about it? I believe that's from Blister's Clothes. He's gonna pay for this shit. I thought this was gonna be out of a boy plugged bad. Flushing the gutters out today. Josie thinks this is a game. So I usually carry spare filters and nozzles for the furnace, but I'm plumb out. So me and the dogs are just sitting here with the fan running, waiting for the furnace guy to show up. So I got some mail from Nashua, New Hampshire. Let's go over. Whoopsie. So my buddy Donnie White from Hollis, New Hampshire sent a nice shirt, a beanie, hat, sticker. Thanks, brother. It's from Matthias. Ah, it's my good friend Kurt Sparks. Get him, girls. Get him. Kansas. You guys know I hate Kansas. Dust in the wind. Boy, this is a mess. Shaggy, we got problems. This ain't good. We can't get the furnace going. Me and the furnace guy need to go. I'll tell you what, boys, up here in northeast Pennsylvania, you get yourself a furnace guy. Yeah. And we ain't figured it out yet, but he will. Johnny will. We got her running. Johnny, how's she doing?
She's doing good.
What's our parts per million?
About 12.
And that's good.
That's good. 11
Like a
parts per million. We got your O2 at 6, and we got your CO2 at 10.5. We're running pretty good.
like a brand new furnace.
Like brand new. You're running about 83% efficient.
How about it?
30-year-old boiler. I don't think that's too bad.
Shaggy, we're working on a furnace. I'll be right over. Honey, today I got all the gutters cleaned out, the basement drain unclogged, and fixed the furnace with some help from my friends.
Good. About time you came home and did something.